Hello, this is Model Fun and you are watching the last part of the PZL P.11c build. In this video I will apply decals, glue the wing and all small elements, make weathering and add rigging. I start from this stage, and in this video I will show you all steps I completed to make it look like this. Okay, let's start. To apply decals I use warm water, and to set them on the model I use microset and microsol decal solution. When decal is ready to slide off the paper, I prepare the surface by applying microset solution. This is to help place the decal and minimize silvering effect. To adjust decal position, I use soft brush or a toothpick. When I think the place is correct, I remove the water with the cotton swab. Also, use it to press down the decal a bit to make it stick better to the surface and remove the air bubbles. With this model, I have to be accurate as the surface is very diverse and it is hard and risky to move decal around. So it's best to place it on the spot with the first try. Not always possible though. The Polish checkerboard during World War II times and up to 1993 had the red color in the right upper corner. I need to remember about it when applying because it is square and may be placed incorrectly. To make the decal soft and conform to the surface, I use microsol. I apply it with the brush, leave it for a while so it reacts with the decal, and use cotton swab to press the decal gently in place. With the surfaces like this, I repeat these steps a few times until I get good result. Here you can see the difference before and after application of the microsol. Last step would be to cover the decals with the gloss varnish. This is to seal them in place and also to protect before weathering. Weathering process I start from applying an oil wash. Normally I would wait for a bit for the wash to dry and then starting the process of removing it from the place where I don't want it to be. But here I started immediately because it's already hard to remove it correctly, so I don't want to wait for it to dry and you know, have an issue with it. I imitate the exhaust and gun smoke with highly diluted black color. I mix 1 drop of paint with around 6 drops of thinner. For exhaust, I also add a little bit of the medium grey diluted paint. To make the wheels look more realistic, I use Europe Earth pigment from Amomig. To make the rust effect, I use my own made rust, apply it with the brush, wait to dry, and later I use brush and thinner to blend it. Before I glue the wing in place, the joint surface has to be clear. The fit is just perfect. All metal elements are added with CA glue. I taped my tweezers to avoid scratching the paint. assemble the windshield, I use ultra glue from armament, which gives the transparent joint. Antenna wire goes from horizontal stabilizer to both sides of the wings, and also to the fuselage where it connects to the radio. I use elastic rigging from armament to reproduce it. This is the final step. I hope you liked the result. Please visit my channel if you want to see other videos. And also let me know in the comments what you think of this build, and subscribe the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.